Parida Academy, dear students. So today we will discuss the chapter 8. This is soil and this is standard 7. Okay, this is standard 7. So today we'll discuss all the question answer in this video. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Okay, let's go to the chapter. So yeah, this is your first time to answer question answer. You just see this question with answer and write in your copy or in your book. Okay. So first is circle the correct word among the two given in bold to make correct sentence. So soil formation is a slow or fast process. So this is answer is a slow process. In a physical or chemical weathering, the mineral are broken down into new mineral components, so chemical. The next question is the dash the a horizon or b horizon is called topsoil. A horizon is called the topsoil. Then below the c horizon or b horizon lies the bedrock. C horizon. Water accumulates over the sea horizon or bedrock bedrock. Okay, then next next question, next time to answer, this is your next time to answer. This is fill in the blanks. Dash soil has very poor water holding capacity, sandy soil. And dash soil has highest percolation rate. Dash soil has highest percolation rate, so sandy soil. Then cacti and watermelon grow best in sandy soil. Then dash soil is rich in humus, loamy soil. Dash soil is the best to make pottery products, clay. Then third time to answer. I will discuss one by one all the question answer. Then write a true or false. False. Lentils grow well in loamy soil. True. Cotton grows well in clay soil. False. Forest fires help to prevent soil erosion. False. Deforestation causes soil erosion. True. Soil erosion occurs faster on barren land. True. Then come to the your book question answer. Okay, this is your first multiple choice question. One by one we will discuss all the question. Okay, so the soil that is the best for growing plants, loamy soil. Soil profile consists of 4 layers. Then the layer of the soil that is porous and can hold a lot of water is the topsoil. Then the soil that becomes sticky when wet is clay soil. Lentils and gram grow best in loamy soil. The next question, soil erosion is caused by deforestation. Okay. Then come to the fill in the blanks. Question number 2, fill in the blanks. So dash and dash are some animals that live in soil, earthworms and ants. The different layer of soil are called horizons. The 4 layers seen in soil profile are A horizon, B horizon, C horizon and D horizon. Subsoil is rich in soluble minerals and iron oxide. The next is in chemical weathering, chemical nature of rocks are changed. Then terrace farming is the method of growing crops on steps in hilly regions. The next question is subsoil is also called B horizon. True. Humus content is highest in the sandy soil. False. Soil formation is a slow process and takes thousands of years. Ye true. Soil erosion occurs when there is no vegetation. True. water table is present above the bedrock. True. In physical weathering of rocks, there is no change in the characteristic of the original rock. True. Then come to the question number 4. Observe the figure given below and answer the question that follow. From where do drops of water come in the inner walls of the jar? So यहाँ पे जो इनर वॉल पर जो वाटर ड्रॉपलेट दिख रहा है आप लोगों को, ये कहाँ से आया? तो वाटर इज प्रेजेंट इन द सॉइल ऑन कीपिंग द ग्लास जार कॉन्टेनिंग सॉइल इन द सन. The water present in the soil evaporates and condenses in the water droplets on the inner wall of the jar. तो बता रहा है कि ये जो सॉइल है इसमें क्या था, पहले से वाटर मौजूद था. तो जब ये सन के जो किरण आ रहा है और सनलाइट जो आ रहा है इसको गर्म कर रहा है, ये जो ग्लास जार है और ये जो ग्लास बॉटल है जो दिख रहा है आप लोगों को, तो यहाँ पे क्या करता है ना, वो जो वाटर मॉलिक्यूल्स इसमें थे सब मिट्टी में, ये धीरे धीरे एवापोरेट करके ये दीवार पर लग गया है, जो वाटर ड्रॉपलेट है वो लग गया है. तो ये पूछ रहा है कहाँ से आ रहा है वो वाटर, कहाँ से आ रहा है ना, ये जो मिट्टी में से जो पहले से था वही सब एवापोरेट होकर आ रहे हैं. ओके. देन नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. वाई डू एयर बबल्स कम आउट ऑफ द सॉइल व्हेन वाटर इज पोर्ड इनटू इट? तो बोल रहा है कि अगर हम इस जार में मिट्टी लेंगे और एक ग्लास में पानी लेकर उसके अंदर डालेंगे तो जो बबल्स आता है ना, वो आप लोगों ने भी देखे होंगे कभी. मिट्टी के अगर एक मिट्टी का ढेर कुछ ले लो, जो मिट्टी का होगा कहीं से ले लो, एक मिट्टी का बड़ा सा गुद्दा कहीं से ले लो और उसके ऊपर पानी डालो, सब बुदबुदा सा जैसे निकलेगा. वो जो एयर बबल्स निकलता है, क्यों निकलता है? वाई डू एयर बबल्स कम्स आउट ऑफ द सॉइल व्हेन वाटर इज पोर्ड? क्यों आता है? सिंपली थिंग, वो मिट्टी के अंदर एयर रहता है, इसी वजह से क्या होता है जब हम पानी डालते हैं वो एयर क्या करता है ना, वो ऊपर निकलता है, इसीलिए बुदबुदा या बुलबुला होता है. एयर इज ट्रैप्ड इन द सॉइल. When water is poured in the soil, the air trapped in it escapes out in the form of bubbles. So then, long question answer, yeah, short, very short type question answer. Now we will discuss very short type question answer. Okay. So this is your question answer, very short type. What forms the uppermost layer of the earth crust? Some forms the uppermost layer of the earth crust. Soil forms. Okay. Soil forms the uppermost layer of the earth crust. So what is the process of soil formation called? Soil formation process को क्या कहा जाता है? The process of soil formation called weathering. Okay. Then next question. Which horizon of soil forms the water table? D horizon of soil forms the water table. Water table means जिस लेवल में क्या होता है ना, पानी रहता है, और जहाँ जिस लेवल से हम लोग क्या करते हैं ना, ट्यूबवेल या बोरिंग लगाकर पानी निकालते हैं, वो लेवल को डी होरिजन बोलते हैं. पूरा मिट्टी के नीचे निचला हिस्सा में रहता है वो सब. ओके. The next question, what type of soil contains equal amount of sand, clay and salt? Loamy soil contains equal amount of sand, clay and salt. Okay, the next question is, can afforestation reduce soil erosion? Afforestation, और इसका अगर ऑपोजिट बोलेंगे तो डिफॉरेस्टेशन. सो afforestation मतलब कि पेड़ पौधों को ज़्यादातर लगाने से सॉइल इरोजन क्या कम हो जाएगा? यस, कम हो जाएगा. afforestation reduce soil erosion because roots of the trees hold the soil together. हम लोग पहले से ही जानते हैं पिछले क्लास में से. what we know, the soil can hold by the plants or trees. That's why soil erosion reduces by planting up many trees. Okay. Next question, short answer type of question. So this is define humus. Humus is Humus is the remains of dead and decaying plants and animals present in the soil. It increases the fertility of the soil. Then next question is, what is water table? The level up to which the water accumulates over the bedrock layer of soil is called the water table. The next question is, why do potters use clay soil to make pots and lamps? Potters use clay soil to make pots and lamps because clay soil becomes sticky on adding water and can easily be molded into different shapes. On drying, it becomes hard. The next question, why is the loamy soil best for growing crops? Loamy soil is best for growing crops because it is rich in humus, contains sufficient water and adequate air spaces. Crops require these conditions to grow well. The next question is, how is humus formed? Humus is formed from the dead and decaying plants and animals present in the soil. Dead plants and animals are decayed by microorganisms present in the soil. The next question is, differentiate between afforestation and deforestation. So afforestation क्या है? Planting of trees on a large scale is called afforestation. Afforestation prevents soil erosion. Then what is deforestation? So this is deforestation. So deforestation is deforestation of tree on a large scale termed as deforestation. It is the main causes of soil erosion. Deforestation मतलब कि जो पेड़ पौधा होता है हम लोग उसको काट देते हैं, उसको क्या बोलेंगे? डिफॉरेस्टेशन. और पेड़ पौधों को लगाने को क्या बोलेंगे ना? अफॉरेस्टेशन. Okay, then G. Define soil erosion, list agents of soil erosion. The carrying away of the top fertile layer of soil by agents like wind, water is called soil erosion. The agents of soil erosion are deforestation, floods, forest fires, overgrazing. Okay, deforestation, floods, forest fires and overgrazing. Then long answer type question. This is your long answer type question. Why is the soil called a valuable natural resources? Explain. Soil is a valuable natural resources because plants grow in soil. They absorb nutrients from soil and prepare their food in the presence of sunlight. Okay. The next point is, soil is a home for many animals that include microorganisms like bacteria, fungus, animals like ants, millets, millipedes, beetles, worms, rodents, etc. Some of these are useful for the growth of plants. Then next third point is, soil keeps the plant in their place by holding their roots firmly. 2 टाइम कीप्स हो गया, 1 टाइम कीप्स लिख देना. द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, डिफाइन soil profile. Draw a level diagram of soil profile. A vertical section through the soil showing the different layer of soil is called soil profile. Each layer of this profile is a horizon. There are 4 horizons. Let us see. So first is A horizon. It is the uppermost layer of the soil. It is dark in color due to the presence of humus in it. So then B horizon. This is the layer just below the A horizon. It is light color and contains less humus. Then C horizon. इसका फिगर मैंने यहाँ पर बना दिया हूँ, आप लोग जो साइंस कॉपी में इसको बना देना है. देन सी हॉरिजन. सी हॉरिजन क्या होता है ना, दिस लेयर लाइज बिलो द सब सॉइल, ह्यूमस इज एब्सेंट एंड दिस लेयर इज इनफर्टाइल या बंजर जमीन. देन डी हॉरिजन. डी हॉरिजन, दिस लेयर लाइज बिलो द सी हॉरिजन, इट इज मेड अप ऑफ हार्ड एंड सॉलिड रॉक. सो ये है, थोड़ा जूम आउट कर देता हूँ, आप लोगों को दिखने लगेगा बस. ओके, तो ये वाले फिगर को आप लोग को करना है. कॉपी में. ओके, देन नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. तो ये वाला नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन आ गया आपका. एक्सप्लेन हाउ सॉइल इज फॉर्म्ड. Soil is formed when big rocks break down into small particles by the action of the sun's heat, wind, rain, flowing water and climate conditions. The process of soil formation by the breaking down of rocks is called weathering. Weathering is of two types, physical and chemical. So physical weathering, what is physical weathering? It is a natural process in which the rocks are broken down into smaller pieces without any change in the characteristic of original rock. Temperature difference, growing root of plants, forest etc. cause such a change. Frost is etc. cause such a change. Okay, the next, chemical weathering. So what is chemical weathering? So in this type of weathering, the minerals present in rocks are broken down into new mineral components. This result in a change in the chemical nature of the rocks. Then question number D. So how can you show the presence of a living organism in the soil? कैसे? So to show that living organisms are present in the soil, fill a small area in your garden with a lot of water. Wait for some time. You will observe some insects, larvae, earthworm coming out from the soil. This activity will clearly show that soil is a home of to many living organisms. Okay, so सॉइल के अंदर कितने लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म जिंदा है आप लोगों को कैसे मालूम पड़ेगा? तो अगर आप लोग क्या करोगे ना, एक ऊपर में कोई सा खाना डाल दो या कुछ क्या करो ना, पानी डाल दो, वो फील्ड में जाकर पानी डाल दो बहुत सारा. तो देखना है जो पानी अगर वो उनके गड्ढे में घुसेगा तो वो सब जो एनिमल अंदर रहते होंगे वो सब बाहर निकल आएंगे. ओके, आप लोग हर वक्त करते रहते हो ऐसा हरकत, मैं जानता हूँ. कोई देखा होगा, जो नहीं देखा है ऐसा करना मत, क्योंकि उनके घर पे पानी मत घुसाओ. ओके, देन सैंडी सॉइल. देन कम टू द sandy. Distinguish between sandy, clay and loamy soil. So sandy soil, what is sandy soil? It is formed by the disintegration and weathering of rocks such as limestone, granite, quartz and shale. It contains 70 to 80% of large sand particle and a very small amount of silt and clay particles. Is lacks humus and hence not very fertile. Then clay soil. It is formed by the disintegration and weathering of rocks for a long time. It is also formed as sedimentary deposit due to weathering, erosion and transportation of rocks. Its particles are very small, which leaves little space for air in the soil. Then loamy soil. Come to the loamy soil. It is considered to be the perfect soil. It is rich in humus and is dark brown in color. It has adequate air space and contains sufficient of water. Then this is it. यहाँ पर end होता है. So don't forget like, share and subscribe, because we need some more subscriber चाहिए. सब्सक्राइब करते रहिए, लाइक्स कमेंट देते रहिए. फॉर नेक्स्ट वीडियो, थैंक यू.